How to use the DART Transit app. With the DART Transit app, you can get real-time bus information, view bus routes and bus stops, plan your trip, book DART Connect trips, and more.
With real-time bus information, you can see when your bus will arrive. Select your bus stop, you will see all routes that serve there. Select the time of next arrival, and view the live bus en route. Please note that traffic, weather, or other factors may cause the bus to arrive later than scheduled. You can also view nearby routes and bus stops on the home screen. The bus stop feature allows you to search all bus stops in the area. You can also search for a town, city, or major landmark and find all bus stops in that location. You can toggle between map and list view for easier searching. Select the star to save your favorite bus stops for quick access. You can view your favorite stops by selecting the star icon. Using the Routes feature, you can search all bus routes statewide. You can also search for any town, city, or major landmark and find routes that travel in that area. The red icon indicates there is an active rider alert affecting that route. Select the icon for more information. The DART Transit app makes trip planning easy and can let you find the most convenient ways to get to your destination. Enter and confirm your origin location. Then enter and confirm your destination. Select the date and time you wish to travel. Then view all travel options that can work for you. DART Connect trips can easily be booked now on the DART Transit app. If you are a new user, please register an account or you may sign in to your existing account. For more information on how to book, please view our DART Connect video. The DART Transit app also has a feature for paratransit riders. Learn how to use this feature on our paratransit tutorial video. The Alerts feature is one of many ways we strive to keep our riders up to date. You can view current rider alerts for route detours and view our press releases for the latest news from Delaware Transit Corporation. By selecting the menu icon at the top of the app, you can access a variety of useful links to our website for more detailed information. You can access the DART Pass app directly from here as well, and purchase your fare. Learn how to use this app on our DART Pass tutorial video. Safety is a top priority for our riders. You can submit an anonymous safety issue here as well. You can also download the Delaware Commute Solutions app and get rewarded for taking green trips. At the bottom of this menu, you can also connect and follow us on social media. For more details, visit dartfirststate.com or call 1-800-652-DART.